It's all air up there.
What's up, everyone? We made it to our next destination for our random adventures with Code Brown Productions, and Mike doesn't know what to do with his hands here, but that's okay. We came down here to Royal Gorge and Canon City to go ahead and check out this pretty awesome skyline road here. You can check it out. It's not too bad. I got the video, already sent the drone up and everything. Mike's still making pictures and funny faces there. But we're also gonna go ahead and take a train ride through the Royal Gorge Canyon, and it should be pretty fun. I'm looking forward to it. Mike's just gonna make fun of everything, but it's all good. So hope you guys are enjoying along. Hope you guys like what I have to show, and don't forget to follow along, and let's see what the day brings us. Take it easy. Woo! Amanda, Amy.
They use no dynamite whatsoever, but then again, who gives prisoners explosives?
It's recording.
Sweet.
Anything else?
Do I look it? Can you see me?
No, I'm surprised the camera hasn't broken.
Really? Hey everyone, we're over here in where are we at?
Royal Gorge.
Royal Gorge, whichever. I can't say it. Amy's back here with her back against me. She didn't want to sit with us. Same thing with Amanda back there. They didn't want to sit with us because I guess we're losers. Oh, yeah, we're losers. They don't want to sit with us. Whatever. Little that they know is I drink some of the drink. Yeah, a little bit. Anyways, we're doing this train ride on the Royal Gorge. I don't exactly know the name. What is the name of this thing?
Royal Gorge train.
Oh, I guess it's the
Gorge Railroad.
The road. Yeah, Gorge Railroad. A tongue twister. You know. Shut up, John. It's a tongue twister. It's a tongue twister. He doesn't know. He doesn't know the struggle. You know. Darn Mexicans. Anyways, you guys have fun. Well, John's gonna be putting some pictures throughout the trip. So video and pictures. Both. Hold on. Am I shaking it? Anyways, we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Bye, Mom.
Alright guys, so we're making our way in front of the car here. Gonna get to the open air car here. But as you can see here, it's kind of a pretty thing. They got the barn behind me.
More like it. How do you like that?
You see the cars. They got like that kind of like old western feel almost. This is pretty cool. I like it. So unfortunately, you can't really do anything cool on the sides here. Oh, excuse me, man. Small little corridors. Hopefully there'll be some room in the open air car.
Hi. Let him over.
Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Alright. It's the open air car here. Check this out. Alright. When we start going back to the gorge, we'll go ahead and turn the video camera back on and get some good footage up, okay? Alright, see you guys in a few. It's all good, but I just want you to check out these views. This thing is this is why I actually came here. So check this out, man. Isn't that cool? Here in just a few, probably about another hour or so, me and my group of friends here, Mike, Amy, and Amanda and I, we're actually going to head up to the top of that so you guys can look down and actually see it. So. Should be pretty cool, alright? Alright, see you guys in a few.
I'm sure some folks are pointing at it, right? See some questions about it. Yes, a train has left this work. Well, back in the 80s, Nick was just telling me this. I didn't start tell me back in the 80s they did an experiment with a double-stacked train car just to see if it could go all directions on the strings here. And they came through to get all 200 miles and get
We walked down here. No, it's closed up. We were here. That would be like, maybe 18
yeah, on
years
our way
ago.
after that, we did, start there.
Right.
Alright, so we finally made it to our at least last stop of the day here at Royal Gorge. Adventure Day 2019, as Amy calls it. Yep. Wind's not too terrible bad, but it's 25 bucks to get in there, and it's about to close anyways because it's late in the day. So we're just gonna take pictures from here and kind of check it out. But yeah, so far it's been a pretty good day. I got to see the prison museum, kind of a gas chamber there. Yeah. And then yeah, I thought the train was really fun. What do you guys think?
It was fun. We got our except for the drink prices. Yeah.
Drink
Prices were a little outrageous.
But my buddy Mike here, I think he had fun. He's trying to play it cool, act like he didn't do anything, but I think he did. So all right.
Actually, and after seeing the prison, it doesn't seem so bad. So I'm thinking he got to go vacation.
What, the prison?
Vacation.
Prison vacation.
Prison, yeah. Prison vacation. That's all we can afford.
Oh well. Alright, so cool. Well, if there's anything else cool, so go ahead and film it and show you guys. But hopefully we'll have a good time. Well, obviously we'll get some. Alright guys, thanks for following along. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, because I've got so many followers. Not really.
It really needs like 1-2 more.
I just need like one. Come on, guys.
43 followers or 47?
I'm at 47.
47.
Let's
Let's make it 50, guys. Come on.
Come on, get me up to 50.
Gotta make it a 50.
All right. See you guys. Deuces.